Good morning, my friends. It is Saturday. It is very gloomy and hazy at the moment, but we're supposed to have a really beautiful day. Bubba is here in the crib next to me making ninja kicks. It's kind of his new thing. I think he's gonna be a ninja when he grows up. I'm still getting 2 to 3 hour stretches at night. So yeah, it's been almost 3 months and I'm getting pretty tired. So I need to fuel myself properly, lest I disintegrate and just evaporate into the world. My brain is on the ceiling some days, just being this tired and consistently not getting good sleep. If you're new to my channel, I am vegan. I am whole foods plant-based. The difference only being that the vegan side of me is vegan for the animals. The whole foods plant-based side of me is vegan for my health. I've been vegan for about 14 years and I have no inclination of going back. And yeah, I love it. I love this lifestyle. So let's get started. I've been pumping first thing in the morning, and I know pumping isn't really part of every breastfeeding mother's routine, but it is part of mine. And I have been enjoying just like some small little breakfast while I pump, because I'm pretty hungry right when I wake up. This is a sumo tangerine. If you've never had a sumo tangerine, you are missing out. It is the best tangerine ever. It's so easy to peel, but they're really expensive. And some mandarins. And I'm not gonna show you what it looks like to pump, because I think that this is like one of the weirdest parts of motherhood, and you just look sort of like an alien. What do I look like, babe? The Austin Powers?
The robots from Austin Powers.
Yeah, the robots from Austin Powers that shoots lasers out of your boobs. Why do I look so pale? I'm so pale. I am super hungry. I need to eat. I'm probably going to do banana ice cream or something like that, because it is a beautiful January day here in Southern California. My baby went down for his little morning nap, and I just want to tell you guys, this is very hard to make videos and be a mother. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting it to be hard, but not this hard. This is challenging. If you thought my angles were bad pre-baby, just get ready for some really hackneyed angles where I rush around because I feel like my whole day is racing the clock. Like right now, I just need to eat. Why am I talking to you guys? I need to make my food. This is my breakfast. It's just plain banana ice cream. I didn't really feel like adding anything to it today. You just put frozen bananas in a high-speed blender like the Vitamix and blend with the tamper until it's just smooth so it doesn't melt. A cup of green tea. I don't drink a ton of caffeine just because I'm pretty sensitive to it. Ugh, my counter's dirty. Don't look at it. I'm gonna put that there so you don't look at the maple syrup that I spilled from last night. It is time to get dressed, take a shower. I'm covered in spit up and breast milk, and this is what I'm wearing. This is my postpartum outfit of the day. Cute leggings from Everlane. Like, best leggings I've ever owned. They're a really cool color, they're really soft, and I'm not sponsored, but I would love to be sponsored. Everlane, call me, and maybe we can work together to get some vegan leather on your website. Let's go make second breakfast. And also put sunscreen on because it is sunny today. I've been using this face sunscreen every day. I love it. It's from Crave Beauty. It's always vegan, always cruelty free, and they don't use any fragrances or essential oils. I love this brand so much. This is the Beet Shield. If you're looking for a good daily sunscreen, this is the one that you should try. I'm not sponsored, but I'd like to be. Also, I'll be real with you guys. I don't know if you can see it in my face, but I can't stop crying today. I'm so stressed. Being a mom is so hard. I am so, like, I walk around like this some days. And then other days, I'm like, I got this. Motherhood, you're my bitch. Today, motherhood is not my bitch. I'm its bitch. I just realized, guys, we're not making second breakfast, we're making third breakfast. I'm just gonna make some oatmeal because I've not had enough calories, I've not had enough fats. I really need some peanut butter or almond butter or something like that. Maybe my nerves will be more settled and I won't feel so, what is the word? I feel like a percolator. You know, you're just sort of like, okay, here we go, my friends. I have a little bit of almond butter in there, a little bit of peanut butter, my oats with chia seeds. Now I'm going to add some more nuts. I'm going to add some walnuts. Lastly is just a bit of maple syrup. You know what? Today's a chocolate day. I'm gonna add chocolate chips on top because I can! Does anyone feel like after birth, their posture just suffers? Like, they're just, partly from breastfeeding, partly from the big war that you went through when you gave birth. I think a lot of it for me, it's just like my boobs are so big that I'm like, it is really hard to find bras. Actually, I'm gonna make a video all about like my postpartum clothes try on haul type of thing because I had to buy a bunch of new clothes, this being one thing. I didn't really need a sweater, but it was cute, I liked it. I basically needed new pants, I needed new bras, and I did need some new like wintry shirts. I just don't have a lot of long sleeve shirts. I was really excited about this one bra that I ordered. So cute. I love the style. It could double as a swimsuit. I ordered the largest size they have and it's not even close to fitting my boobs. Anyone else out there? I just have to be so conscious of my posture right now. Actually, the one thing I have on the schedule today, besides loving on my child who's laying right next to me on this blanket, the color of his poop, the one thing I have to do is go to my physical therapist, pelvic floor specialist. I think I only have a couple more appointments with her before everything is pretty much back to normal, maybe even better than before because I'm working really hard on it. Cosmo, your ninja kicks are so on point. He's like, and even that one thing that I have to do stress me out. What? Are you gonna let me do my little ad here, or are you just gonna gurgle at me? Actually sponsored with Skillshare for this video, so thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I should probably finish my bite first. If you haven't heard of Skillshare, it's basically an online learning community where creators of all kinds will create these really awesome courses that are really well put together and very instructive and creative and beautifully produced. It's such a great place to explore new skills or things you want to improve on, or kind of get sparked in some other area you didn't even know you would be interested in. And a lot of people are doing a career shift where, you know, things might not have worked out for what they were in the industry that they were in, and now they need to find something else. Skillshare can be a great way to sort of explore what is available to you and what you're good at, and you didn't realize that you had those talents. The course I have been taking is called Plants at Home, Uplift Your Spirit and Your Space by Christopher Griffin. This course sort of inspires you and gets you started to get plants in your home and gives you confidence. I know a lot of you are probably wondering how you can get started, so there is a link in my description. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and after that it's only around $10 a month. And on that note, I'm going to take a leaf out of Christopher Griffin's book and take care of my plants. This monstera you're behind, is quite dusty, so that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to dust her. This is a message for all breastfeeding mothers, especially for those of us whose first time. Breastfeeding can be so confusing and frustrating and difficult. Breastfeeding is something that's very important to me, and even though it is really, really hard, I'm sticking with it. I have my own set of challenges, and we all have our own types of challenges when it comes to breastfeeding. But one thing I do want to say though is that I am a much better breastfeeding mom when I have a full belly of hearty plant food and I'm satisfied and I'm not stressed myself. It's not good for any part of the breastfeeding relationship. And yeah, so I'm going to make lunch now, even though I kind of just finished my third breakfast, and I'm just gonna get it all going and in the oven so I have lots of good plant food to eat and I'm nice and satisfied. had to interrupt making lunch to do a diaper change. I just want to tell you real quick that I have been using cloth diapers. We recently graduated to cloth diapers when Cosmo's legs got big enough for them, and I love it. I thought it would be like way challenging and I'd have to really grit my teeth, but I love it, and I'm gonna change his bum. Clean his bum, change his diaper. His bum will remain the same. This is one big beautiful bowl of plants. I'm going to tell you what I have in here. I have my Spanish rice from my ebook. I just made a big batch the other day, so I have some for leftovers. Woo, steam enough. And I have some green leaf lettuce, fresh tomatoes, fresh avocado, a little arugula, and cilantro, and these purple sweet potatoes from Hawaii that my mom ordered. She bought me a giant box of them, and it's super sweet. They're so delicious. And then I have this cilantro cashew cream that I just sort of threw together, lots of lime in there, and that is my lunch. I'll probably put Cholula on top as well, because why the hell not? Hello everyone, we just got back from our pelvic floor appointment, and my pelvic floor is looking pretty dang good right now. I really want to make a video all about pelvic floor stuff and like really give it all to you guys, like tell you what it's all about, because I learned so much in this whole experience of giving birth. Now we're gonna make dinner, and we're going to encourage the bedtime that we want. We're sort of deciding, when do we want bedtime to be? Before we were sort of going, when does he want bedtime, and going, putting him down when he's sleepy. But now we're going to encourage 7:30 bedtime? 7:30? 8 o'clock maybe? We don't know. We're still deciding. You're through Parkio. Ninja! We're gonna make some dinner. We're gonna make a frami recipe. This is from my bowl. My friend Caitlin Schumacher. She is my favorite vegan food blogger. I always talk about her, always tag her all over the place. And we're gonna do it with jazz music on, and we're gonna do it with the baby in the kitchen and daddy in there helping me. It's gonna be big family fun time. Right, Prince? Oh, Hannah.
What'd you do?
I just wasn't paying attention.
You didn't cut it very strong. Oh, God.
I know. But I'm gonna eat.
Ruined it.
I know. This is our amazing dinner. You guys have to try this soup recipe. And the color is looking weird on camera, but it's so delicious and very easy to make. The only problem with it is I wish I made a bigger batch. I should have doubled the recipe. And we have some avocado toast on sourdough bread. I will probably have a second bowl. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, I hate when YouTubers say that. I'm just gonna end the video now. That is what I ate. I am a breastfeeding mom. I am vegan. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Goodbye.